for mega projects in Odisha reflect strong confidence in the state's future and will unlock significant socio-economic benefits. The approval of the 8,300 crore rupees for Rameshwar-Paradip Coastal Highway will substantially improve coastal connectivity by reducing distance and travel time by nearly 45%. The green light to the 6-lane access-controlled Greenfield Capital Region Ring Road, Bhubaneswar Bypass, with an investment of about 8,308 crores, will decongest Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and Khordha, help lower logistic costs and strengthen trade through seamless multimodal integration. My government is grateful to the central government for the approval of 2 state-of-the-art semiconductor manufacturing units in Odisha under the India Semiconductor Mission, involving an investment of over 2,066 crores. This marks a landmark step towards positioning Odisha as a semiconductor and electronics hub, generating high-skilled employment, promoting ancillary industries, and advancing the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Infrastructure is not only concrete and steel, it is the silent enabler of every dream of a Samruddha Odisha 2036. My government has undertaken far-reaching policy and institutional reforms to modernize the road sector and ensure safe, sustainable, and efficient mobility across the state. The Odisha State Road Policy 2025 has been implemented to create a high-quality road network for seamless movement of people and goods, while the Odisha State Highways Authority Act 2025 has been promulgated to fast-track highway development through a dedicated institutional mechanism. In addition, steps are now being taken for systematic maintenance of bridges on PWD roads, reinforcing structural safety and serviceability across the network. During the financial year 2025-26, my government has laid special emphasis on sanctioning several major and strategic infrastructure projects aimed at addressing urban congestion, regional connectivity gaps, and critical river crossings. These include the improvement of Jaidev Vihar Nandan Kanan Road with a flyover from Kalinga Stadium Gate number 4 to Raghunathpur Bridge, construction of the Kionjar Bypass Road, widening and strengthening of the Bhavani Patna Kariyar Road SH16 to 4 lanes, development of the Burla Ring Road, and improvement of the Fulnakara Niyali Madhava Road to 4 lanes, which will significantly ease traffic movement and enhance logistics efficiency. In addition, my government has sanctioned important bridge and area development projects to improve regional accessibility and support cultural and economic centers. These include the construction of the high-level bridge over the river Katajodi, Subhash Bose Setu, the high-level bridge over the river Mahanadi between Narsinghpur and Bollywood and integrated development works such as the Ma Tarani Temple Complex at Gatagaon and the development of Mahima Gadi with construction of the Bhavya Sunya Mandap at Joranda. Together, these projects reflect my government's continued commitment to strengthening infrastructure while supporting regional growth, safety, and heritage conservation.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।